Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install QuickBooks accounting software, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Visit the official QuickBooks website. Locate the products section on the home page. Select QuickBooks Desktop from the drop-down menu. Choose the version of QuickBooks that best suits your needs. Click on the Buy Now or Free Trial button. If you choose free trial, enter your email address as prompted. Fill out any additional required information on the registration form. Once completed, click Continue to access the download page. Download the QuickBooks installation file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file, typically found in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to start the setup process. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. Select your preferred installation type, typical or custom, and click Next. If you choose the custom option, select your desired installation location. Click Install to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take several minutes. After installation, select Open QuickBooks to launch the program. You may be prompted to activate your QuickBooks product. Enter your license and product numbers as directed. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new company file. Provide the required business information to set up your company profile. Once all information is entered, click Save to finalize your company setup. Explore the user interface to familiarize yourself with the available tools. Consider completing the tutorial offered by QuickBooks for additional guidance. You are now ready to begin using QuickBooks for all your accounting needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.